Okay, here we are on the 4-6 of the right angle cross of Eden. You can see the fourth line through this quarter, that all of the dark side of the line is coming out. The brotherhood, sisterhood works really nice in all the other quarters. It's really nice there. But where it comes here, no. Because when it comes here, you get to the core. Think about the relationship between the 1 to the 4. The 1 is the foundation, the 4 is what delivers the foundation. We think of the 1 as being authoritarian, but only because of its lower trigram self absorption, beginning of the process, do we see or feel that authoritarianism is something that is almost crude. It's a natural byproduct. But the 4 is the true authoritarian. They've mastered how to hide that I authority under a brotherhood sisterhood mask of being your friendly advisor. I don't want to make anybody who has a 4 uncomfortable, but then again, maybe I do. Triumph, a position of natural and unchallengeable power. Okay, on one side we have the charity and wisdom that must come with victory. Jesus, that makes me nervous. Just reading that, it's like victory is always assumed there. And the other side is the conqueror and the purger. You're mine. Everybody thinks that the first line is the cave person, but it's the fourth line that really plays it out. It knows how to deal with the other. All the fourth lines does is say, why don't we have a fantasy together and play role model today? And I'll play the caveman. Thank you very much. Natural, unchallengeable power. Uh, so we get to the 4-6. You know what the solution is. The solution is very simple. I'll be kind to you as long as I'm in power. If I'm not in power, I'm going to be mean. That's all. I'm the one. And not only that, if you let me be in power, I'll be really nice to you. I won't humiliate you. If you don't let me be in power, I will smash you. Brotherhood, sisterhood, indeed. Only if I'm in power will I have a child with you. Wow, that's a heavy one. Then we get to the juxtaposition cross of conflict, the 4-1. When we get to the 4-1, we immediately change a very deep theme because what we come to is the underlying developing emergence of the 10 and the 15. And of course, we're dealing with the whole business of love. All of a sudden, out of nowhere, at the very end, at the juxtaposition of the last gate of the 8 gates, where there has been no individuality, where there's no damn romance, where there's nothing, suddenly in the background, just a little bit, comes this theme of love. You can see immediately how it's going to change things. Now, in the juxtaposition cross of conflict, we have a problem here in the sense that even though we have an underlying 10, 15, remember something, the 10th gate of behavior, the 15th gate of the rhythm, and in that rhythm, that is the love of humanity and the potential to love humanity, and the 10th gate is the potential to love oneself, but in the not self, it's very easy to hate oneself and hate humanity. So one of the difficulties of the juxtaposition cross of conflict is that it understands that it has to be absolute power because it doesn't like people. It doesn't like them. It doesn't like the way they act. Here it gets very picky. I don't like your frequency. I don't like the way you act. And so is here with this powerful fourth line theme, you end up with these attempts at being very, very dominating and controlling. I'm only going to have a child with you if I can teach you how to behave. If I'm only going to have a relationship with you if I can get you to function in a way that is acceptable to me. So good morning. So good luck with that. Wow, another amazing one. Short one.